Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up Azure, modify Azure backups for your Azure SQL Server. Default, it is all already enabled. If you don't change anything on the settings when you create an Azure SQL Server from the portal.azure, but if you want, you can modify it or extend it. Like I had a customer in the past that required like 3 years of backup, and that's really easy to set up. So please tag along and let's get started. I will reuse the same Azure SQL Server I had in the previous videos about Azure SQL Server maintenance. So it's already created on my side. Well, here's of course, my demo SRE Cave server. As you can see, we from the last video we configured failover groups, Active Directory admin, and now we're gonna go to backups. Default, the backups are already set up because what I said, like if you default create one and you don't modify it, it will default create one. But I could maybe think about what I said, like maybe you have like a customer that wants to keep the backups for a longer period, then will be handier to change this. Well, you can set I want to keep a weekly backup for a longer period, or the monthly backup for a longer period, or annual backup for a longer period. And of course, the point of time, the max is 7 days, because yeah, that's too broad to keep that for like a month. It's almost not done. So yeah, it says you can keep it up to 10 years. So I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna put it for now on 3 years. And if we want, we can also set the monthly backup uh, to like maybe 5 years or 4 years. But do be aware, maybe it's a little bit double up, because of course, technically, if you have the weekly backups, you will also have the monthly backups. But yeah, maybe it's on depending on the ease of your application, your environment. This could be maybe handier, or maybe the weekly could be handier. So it depends. So I click on apply, say yes. And that was that, simply as it is. And also here you can see the available backups now, and you can click on restore. This backup was created recently, and it doesn't contain anything. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do it because it doesn't contain anything. The database is actually empty. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow my upcoming videos. And have a nice day.